Magna Smart Magnetometer by GDI Geophysical Instruments. Features a detachable twist-to-lock probe, easy transportation and storage. 9-volt battery holder, input for external battery pack and data logger. Only one knob to control sensitivity. Set it low for surface targets or high for deep detection when searching voids, weapons, ferrous relics, and treasure hunting in the fields. Auto ground balance ignores magnetic stones and minerals. After power on, keep Magna Smart vertical, motionless for 15 seconds to automatically set up the ground type. Location without motion. Use Magna Smart at any speed, or even hold it motionless above the target, and signal will not fade. Pinpoint is instant. More depth. Compare Magna Smart against magnetometers costing 4 times the price. VCO audio produces a precise ticking sound for deep, weak targets that gradually rises as the signal becomes stronger for accurate pinpoint. Connect Icon Data Logger and scan at normal pace. 2D and 3D maps are generated immediately on a tablet PC. No need to upload data later to a computer.
Turn, step, 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 turn, step.